Hello everyone, good evening to all of you. So this is our part 2 video of a day in the life of a UPSC aspirant. So in the part 1 we have shown you that Monday to Saturday routine, and this is the Sunday routine. So on Sunday the day start with my The Hindu newspaper reading, because on Sunday I skip the yoga, only do the yoga and pranayam only from Monday to Saturday. So as you can see, I am reading the Hindu newspaper. So after reading the newspaper, and only I just read the newspaper on Sunday. I have not made the notes for the Sunday. I made the notes for Monday to Saturday, but I skip this one for the Sunday. And I have to, after doing this, I have to take my breakfast. So as you can see, I am reading the newspaper. So from Sunday newspaper, science and technology portion is very important. So after doing this, as you can see, I have completed all the topics which I have to read from today's newspaper. Then come to the mock test series, that after breakfast from 9:30 to 11:30, 2 hours. So as our prelims is approaching, so I have to give the mock test. So at this time our prelims will be happen. So for that I am making my video at this moment, and also I am doing the mock test series. So as you can see, I am giving the Vision IAS mock test series. So I think it's a modern history, and not only modern history, current affairs. So as you can see, I am giving the mock test series. So it's not possible to show you the total mock test series, because it's totally difficult for me to hold the mobile phone in left hand and doing the mock test by right hand. So I have just shown you some short clips from my mock test series. So as you can see, after mock test series, I have to go for my bath, and I have to take some food also. So as you can see, I am giving the mock test. So after giving the mock test, I will take some rest. So after doing the mock test, I have to revise the explanation, because explanation is the most important things. When you give the mock test series, you have to do the explanation properly, because in the explanation they give each and every topic in a very detailed manner. Because when we do when we solve the questions, we think that this will be in that approach, right? But when we when we read the explanation, we face that no, what we are thinking about, the way of thinking and the way of giving the explanation is different. So for that I will highly recommend you, when you give the mock test, please solve the explanation also, and please make sure that you have write it down or note down each and every important point which is not included in your books also. So after that, it's time for rest and lunch. So after taking the lunch and rest in the 4 p.m. to 6:30, in this time I have to watch the class discussion from the Vision IAS student portal. So as you can see, I am watching the Vision IAS from the Vision IAS student portal. The mock test, which mock test I have given in the morning, I have to watch the class of that particular mock test also in the evening slot. That means the 4 p.m. to 6:30 p.m. almost 2.5 hour class. So after watching them, I will take some rest for the 30 minutes. So as you can see, the class is going on, and you have to know each and everything properly. When the SAR is giving the lecture, you have to write it down, the important points, and you have to write it down those points especially which you have got wrong in your mock test, and you have to write it down in your own note copy, in which you can revise in the last few days before of your prelims. So as you can see, after that I have take some rest from 6:30 to 7:30, and have take some food also. So from 7 p.m. to 9:30 p.m., that means 2.5 hour, I have to watch the class of ethics case studies. So as our case studies classes has started in Vision IAS, so this class is usually from only just 1 month, start from 15th July and will end from, I think, end 15th August, or I think by end August. But it's not the usually all the time I do. But on the usual time I do the CSAT mock test or any other answer writing or anything else. But as if now I am doing the ethics case studies classes. So as you can see, our class is going on. Aditya Kalia sir, who is giving the lectures, and you have to write it down properly, each and everything what he gave us in our lecture. So as you can see, the class is going on, and after that I have to make some notes also, and I have to give the assignments. I have to upload the assignment copy in their website. So as you can see, I am writing the assignment from their website. So after class completed, it's time for the revision. So these are my notes which I have made from the class 1 to 3. Just 3 class had happened, so these are my notes from the 3 classes. So this is the time for the revision. So after doing the revision, these are my assignments which I have written down. So these assignments I have to upload on the website. So that's it. How this is how my days ends. So thanks for watching. Take care. Goodbye.